Gotta drain the oil out first. Get right in there. How nasty do you think this is gonna be? Not too bad, right?
I hope not.
Because you say you do it every 1,000, every 15?
But there is a hole in my air filter that's supposed to go to the PCV valve.
Okay.
And that hole in the air filter sucks in dirt.
So it might look dirty, but not crazy. It might look not black, but dirty. Right. Oh yeah.
That's pretty thick. But it's not black, it's just brown.
Yeah, it's a little milky.
So I can hit it with the light from your
dirt,
side.
yeah. Yeah, it looks like chocolate milk, my man.
It's kind of pretty.
But it's not black though.
No.
So before we continue, you had to drain the oil. We gotta move the oil pump, you said? Remove it?
Yeah. You gotta take off the oil pump. We've gotta remove these vacuum lines that go across the front cover.
I was gonna say, you just remove the vacuum.
Yeah, so we've got hard lines here. I put painter's tape on this one. That'll signify the top hard line.
Yeah.
Or sorry, the bottom hard line, which on the bottom here is just capped off anyhow.
Right.
And this one's held on pretty fucking tight. There we go. Look how dirty this shit is. That's all I want to clean it and paint it. It looks so much better.
It's such a chore.
Yeah.
But it's always so satisfying when you walk up to a car and the engine bay is just like...
Yeah, you can tell something's been done.
Right.
It's been taken care of.
Yeah.
How long ago it's been taken care of.
Exactly. What do you got here? The Chilton manual?
This is Haynes, I believe.
Yeah, y'all need to step your game up and get one of these, especially if you have a project out there. And they make one for pretty much every vehicle there is out there. Sometimes they're combined books of chassis and models and such, but...
Yeah, this is 80 all the way through 95.
Yeah.
Some pickups, the Pathfinder.
Yeah.
It's a couple different chassis all covered under here, but a lot of stuff is the same.
2-wheel, 4-wheel,
Yeah, you've
all
got
that.
some Z22 stuff, you've got some KA stuff, you've got some VG stuff.
Yeah, this is where it's at.
Oil pump removal.
This will be fun. God just took the
Oil
the
pump?
oil pump off. We'll have to do that first. You gotta make sure that before you put the oil pump back on, you put the pulley back in.
So that you can make sure everything's at top dead center.
There you go. So that's where we're at now. No, they're not work shorts. But I love them.
Oh, motherfucker.
What'd you do, John?
Let's go take the cap off.
Get some meat on those or what?
No, 8 mils. Oh, I gotta get in here.
Oh, sound like some fell. Screw?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, alright, yeah. That's legit. I thought it came out of this somehow.
Fuck. Nice.
Just disconnects like so.
I don't see any more wires. That's a vacuum hose.
That should be it, right?
Yeah, I think it's good.
What was this wire down here connected to? What is this?
What?
Yeah.
That's a ground for the... Yeah, it goes into the AC.
Okay, alright. Then I think that's all the wires. It's a 3, huh?
Yeah, I guess so. The distributor adjusting bulb. Oh, that's this bulb.
Okay, yeah. Phillips?
They said to mark it. I think I'll just fuck with the timing when I pull it apart. When I put it back together. Let me get
It should just be the 3, right?
There's one down here.
So basically it's just the one on the back and the bottom, this one right here, and then the one on top?
This one right here, and then one right here.
Okay, so it's in the back over there and then that way. And there we go. Oh shit.
Fuck, there's a lot of things you can fuck up here.
So far everything's looking pretty good now.
So far, we'll see as it goes back
So
together.
far, that's what
I should have all the information here.
I'm telling you guys. These books, they come in clutch. There we go, now we're going to remove the oil pan. So that's what it's getting to down there. So far up here, let's remove the valve cover. He's removed the pulley, the vacuum lines, the distributor cap, the water pump, the wires for the distributor,
Of course,
the distributor itself.
And the camshaft.
Yeah, removing the camshaft. You got the new camshaft in there. Now down to the next step, which is removing the oil pan.
Which requires the cross members to come off.
Oh yeah, of course we've already drained all the oil. All the coolant's gone. Radiator's out. These are 19 on both sides.
18.
Oh, 18 on both sides?
Right? Is that what we decided?
No, I thought it was 19.
Oh, yep, you're right, 19.
Yeah.
You're right.
I ended up going with the 19. That's what it had to be.
That side was all greasy, so it came off easy. Hopefully this side comes off easy too.
It's looking a little dry. It's looking a little dry over here, but we'll hope for the best. Nah, you got like some blaster or something, huh?
Nope.
Nope. Fuck it. WD-40?
Just these guns.
Just these guns.
That's the blasters.
There you go. Gun show. Looks like that one came off pretty easy, huh?
Yeah, it's nice.
Legit.
Not a rusty car.
Yeah, that's always good. Nobody likes that.
Spoke too soon.
Oh, finally. That was pretty quick, actually.
Yeah, not bad. It is something I'm a little bit more nervous about. The cotter pin's probably the bitch to pull out.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look rusty.
Well, so that's helpful.
Yeah.
This is these washers. Yeah. Another one on top here. This is called those fills. Hit it with a hammer, right?
Motherfucker.
That washer came off.
Good.
You have a mallet?
I don't think I brought it home from the shop.
I thought I saw a mallet.